As of this month, the Gitaru Interchange in Kiambu County is in its final stages of completion, with significant progress made on tarmacking, drainage, and road markings. This multi-billion shilling project is a critical hub designed to provide a seamless link between the Southern Bypass, the Western Bypass, and the Nairobi-Nakuru A8 Highway.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola Chila and I am back at the Gitaru Interchange. It's been a while that I'm back to see the developments and I am quite surprised at what is going on so far. The last time I was here, this place was full of dust, the red soil that you guys don't like. And now I'm here and I can see the way the plan is coming out, and it is quite beautiful. It is quite beautiful and it's such an expansive, massive project all the way there. The beautiful Kikuyu affordable houses are looking very, very, very good. And I think this will just be a walking tour for me as I give you a little bit of information and update of exactly how everything is panning out. But in the meantime, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you feel about these developments. You know, guys, you know, I am that person. I bring you this update always. So let's do this. Now, the last time I was here, I was at a very vantage point, somewhere high up there. I was literally there, and that it was a heap of soil, and I can see it has now come down. I don't know whether it's because of the rain, and this particular route had been closed off, and the construction, because there was a lot of digging up going on, and I can see it's now open and already in use. You see, even the heavy vehicles are already using it, guys. Yeah, so this is the development that can happen within a span of 3 to 2 months. A lot is going on. Yeah, there is that particular connection right there going upwards, and but now I'm thinking we start with this particular route. I'm going to walk all the way up so that you can see how everything looks like. So guys, I am not alone today. I came out here with a friend, a fellow YouTuber, content creator, and she was also interested in checking out this project.
Hello, what's up guys? I'm so grateful to be on this platform, on this channel, Lola. So my name is Dana Velma. I'm also a content creator. Unaona niko na my gears. So guys, go check me out and also subscribe to this channel Lola. Like the video, subscribe guys. Unajua tunapatanga we have like over 1,000 views but 20 likes. So kindly, if you're watching this video now with your like, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, also visit me and subscribe to my channel as well, Dana Velma. Okay? Yeah, she link because kuna tu confused Velma yangu. Yeah, so it's collab. Yeah, sawa. Okay, sawa.
So guys, we just went round. We don't know how to get where we want to get. This is how the place looks like. It's quite deep. And Diana insists we can jump. I'm like, nope. I'm a lady. I don't jump these spaces. I don't want to lose my teeth. They're building a gabion here. Definitely soil erosion to avoid just soil spilling onto the roads. Sometimes it happens. You can have like a beautiful road constructed, and then before you know it, our beautiful red soil has taken over.
So guys, oh yo. It's not easy. You have done it.
I have done it. So work is still ongoing. This particular side has been closed off. Yeah, and this is how it looks like. Someone is selling land right there, 1 acre and a quarter. I hope it's not the one that's gonna be repossessed by the government as the project goes on. So we had to go around and come down using this other side because the place has been dug up so much, and also the drainages have been set up so well that there are no shortcuts. Once you're up there, which I don't know what that space they're going to do with that space, right there. But once you're up there, just finding your way to this side is a little bit hard. You have to go round and round and round. So I'm trying to cross because we want to see what that other end looks like. And by the way, these are the beautiful Kikuyu affordable housing. Yeah, the last time I was here, there are certain blocks that were not there, but I can see they have continued expanding. So this is how it looks like here. Wow. Lord Jesus. Now this route was dust. Yeah, it's now complete in a way, and that's how it goes. We are in Gitaru, guys, checking out the Gitaru Interchange, which is more or less complete. So let's go up. We are showing you a view of how it looks like from up there. Yeah. So guys, I'm just doing my thing and then I bumped into a fellow creator. He has no idea that I can see him right now. Oh my God. Move with David. How are you? How are you? Hi. Poa sana, poa sana. Niko poa.
Yaani uliamua kunifuata huku leo.
Leo nimekufuata huku. You cannot escape.
Na venye nimekuwa mahali fulani nikasema wacha nikuje mbio nirekodi.
Yeah, say hi to the guys. This is Move, no mic, it picks up very well. Yeah. Niko poa hivyo. Yeah, oh, I can. Let me do that.
Okay, I'm David. My channel is Move with David. Welcome to Lola's channel. Yes, subscribe to her channel, promote her. And today we are in Gitaru. This is Gitaru Interchange. Yes. This is what we are doing. We are doing here today. And kindly go subscribe to her channel and also come subscribe to my channel, Move with David. Yes.
So guys, this is the change that is happening here. Some clean stuff, yeah? I'm waiting to see what will happen to that heap of soil over there. But so far so good. Vehicles are already using this side, as you can see. Heavy duty. Meaning it's a good quality road, because if it's still new and the vehicles trailers are already on it, it says a lot. It does say a lot. Work is still ongoing, and this is evening, by the way. These people are really working quite hard. I can see somewhere they've put the gabions, like the ones I showed you at the start of the video.
Now, the essence of this particular project is to eliminate chronic traffic bottlenecks at the Gitaru Kikuyu junction, significantly reducing travel times between Nairobi, Central and Western Kenya. Also, from this particular view, you can see that many sections are already open to traffic, though minor finishing touches like landscaping and the installation of a footbridge are ongoing. Because I really did struggle to cross from one end to the other end while back there. So I can see the need for a footbridge here, but the overpasses, the underpasses have already been set up. So guys, the Gitaru Interchange is quite big. It's quite big. We've crossed the road. As you can see, work is ongoing over there. Work is ongoing over there. And from my last video, this is where I was when talking to the residents who'd been affected, businesses, homes, because of how the road had been was coming close to their lands. So it was causing blockades to most, especially when it came to their entrances. So this is still work ongoing, but you can see the road is still in use. Yeah, the road is still in use. I want to go up there, then come down as I show you. If you remember, these are the sections that a lot of the residents are required to move. Their houses have already been marked, but they were complaining something to do with compensation. And they wanted the government to look into it. But as you can see, the project progressed. Nothing stopped. A few works here and there. Looks like it's about to come to completion. Yeah. It goes all the way around. This is a drainage. Water can come from the other side. Yeah, as we go. The walls are up. Yeah.